Hello, hello, and welcome. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria's Place, Tiffany-inspired home decor, where I show you how I decorate my home using all things Tiffany and Company. That's right, you heard it here first. I am going to decorate my new home using a lot of home decor from Tiffany Co. That's right. So we have a surprise unboxing again from the official website, Tiffany.com. So let's get to the unboxing. Come on, let's get into this video. Okay, so as you can see, we have our beautiful blue Tiffany box. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's take off our white satin ribbon. Have you guessed what this is? Let me show you the size of the box and let you get a good look at it. And give me a guess. Comment down below if you could think what it is. Okay. Our Tiffany blue box. Let's open it up. See what we have. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Can you see it? Absolutely beautiful. So, let me read and tell you exactly what this is. So, what we have here is from the Color Block collection. It's a 2-piece mug and tea set. I'll leave the price right here so you see the price. Okay. All right, so here we go. This set includes 2 bone china mugs and number 727 Tiffany exclusive black tea and floral blend in a Tiffany Blue labeled tin can. Mugs are microwave and dishwasher safe. The tea, we have 3 ounces or 86 grams. The tea ingredients is as such: Chinese black tea, roses, lavender, and vanilla. And this is from the official website, www.tiffany.com. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? So, look at that. And here we go. Can you see that? Without the glare? There we go. Very nice. Beautiful. And this is the Color Block collection. So we have Tiffany Co. I have a number. Fine bone china, made in Japan. And that's the Color Block collection, okay? Absolutely beautiful. All right, let's leave that out. Let's look at our tea. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love the tin can. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Oh. Let's see. Nope, it's taped around, so I'll have to take it out later. It says in the bottom, I'll read that, what it says to you. It says 1 to 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water. Brew at a 195 Fahrenheit or 90 Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. Ingredients: Chinese black tea, roses, lavender, and vanilla. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to try that. And here's our second mug. So I'm very happy. Okay, that's the bottom of this one. There we go. Very happy. Beautiful. Beautiful. So once again, that's from the Color Block collection. We have the 2-piece mugs and tea set. Okay? The set includes 2 bone china mugs, which are 8 ounces, and the number 727 Tiffany exclusive black tea. Absolutely beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. Let me bring you up to give you the money affirmation of the day. Okay, so the money affirmation of the day is, I feel marvelous as a rich person. Let's say that again. I feel marvelous as a rich person. Have a good day, everyone. Absolutely beautiful. See you in the next video. Bye for now.